This week at Firewater Farm Sawmill, we're gonna be cutting up some cedar, some pine, and some white oak. First thing on the mill is a 16-foot long piece of cedar, and we're gonna cut that up into an 8x8. After we get done cutting it up to an 8x8, we're gonna then cut it in half because we need a total of 4 8x8 by 8s. And luckily we already got one, so we just need 3 more. And the crazy thing about this log is that the one next to it is off the same tree. So we're gonna get 3 8x8s by 8 foot long off of one tree. After that, we're gonna be cutting up some pine into regular 1x4s. The client needs 150 of them, and I've been working on that for quite a while. I hadn't really made any clips on that just because I just want to get it done. But this will be the log right here to finish it off because I got a total of 146 of them, so I need 4 more. But what we're going to do with that pine is that we're going to be loading that in the kiln. We're going to throw in a little bit of extra just in case some of them warps or twists or anything, which it will. So that's why we're going to throw in a little bit of extra for the guy and help him out. And then last but not least, we got to cut up some white oak for a client. I'm going to finally knock that out. It's also going to help us out in the process because we've been having some white oak that's been sitting for around 2 years now, and yeah, it needs to be cut up. Other than that, that's what we're going to be doing in today's video. If there's anything in this video that you like, make sure to hit that like button, and of course, if you want to support the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. We'll greatly appreciate it. That's what we're going to be doing in today's video. Hope y'all enjoy.
What you just heard was a lovely sound of a piece of metal hitting on a brand new Turbo 7 blade that I just put on this morning. I tend not to show these clips in the videos when stuff like this happens just because I think they're just a little boring, or I just find that some people don't really think that is that worth watching, or just something that y'all don't want to see. But this is just my last log to finish for this client's order, so I'm just going to leave this clip in and show you on how I tackle this when a blade dips or it starts to make a funny sound. What I like to do usually is to stop where I'm cutting and turn the blade off immediately. I then take the tension off the blade and bring the mill back to the operating station. This would give us more space and also to be safe on what we're about to do. I tend to get next to the log, but during the time it was just me, so I got on top of the log. I try to shimmy it back as far as I can, just far enough for me to cut the slab off from where I stopped cutting. But once you do that, all you got to do now is just get you a chainsaw, cut it from where you stopped cutting on the mill. I was just wanting to get on here to just tell you what I was doing and why I was doing it, and hopefully this might help some of y'all out. Maybe y'all never tried this way before, maybe y'all have, but other than that, that's all I got. And again, thanks for watching.